Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am going to present our final year project with title Deep Learning Based Autonomous System with Real-Time UAV Detection and Tracking Capabilities. This project has been done as two independent projects of software and hardware. Motivation behind this project was that increasing number of drones have necessitated the creation of automatic drone protection systems. These are the objectives. This is a project workflow. Skipping the literature review due to time limitation, I'll be explaining the project work. Firstly, a custom dataset was created and labeled in MATLAB. Then it was trained using a single stage detector known as single shot detection. These are the results of SSD which are not satisfactory. Then we identified the problem with SSD, which was in its cross entropy loss. Scaling the cross entropy loss solved the problem of class imbalance due to very small size of UAV and large backgrounds. This modification in SSD is incorporated in a new algorithm called RetinaNet. We chose RetinaNet and then used an open source dataset because it was more diverse than custom one. 80% was used for training and 20% for testing and validation. We used Kaggle kernel as an online GPU because of its best performance. Training was done frequently, first on 3200 images, then on 5600 images, then on 10,000 images, and then finally on 22,000 images, which provided us with the highest mean average precision and lowest class lossification and regression problems. These are the results of RetinaNet. We can see that even with a very complex background, detections are accurate. It can also differentiate between a bird and UAV, as can be seen in this video. A bird is passing by the UAV and it is not detecting the bird. Accuracy obtained was up to 90%. Hardware was done by my partner Munib Hassan. He calculated formulas for torque, power, and then used DC motor, gearbox, and potentiometer for system rotation. He used the algorithm on Arduino Nano and motor driver of L298 was used. This is our hardware. Giving an angle as an input, we get the rotation of potentiometer as an output at that specific angle, as can be seen in this video. There are many applications of our project, including the real-time detection and tracking of multiple UAVs. This is a future work. This is our FYP poster. Thank you.